here I am going to talk about a little on the innovations, what we are getting into, and the technological transformations, what's happening in the lighting industry worldwide. As we see, the main two topics over here for me is connected light as well as the smartified light. Before jumping into these topics, I just want to share the innovations, what has been gone into the lighting industry. The way we see, we are into the digitalization world, and further going forward, the communication where we can also communicate through the lighting. This is something like, when we talk of the smart lighting solutions, the market trend, what for individual applications is this, like the environmental friendly installation, maintenance, easy installation, comfort and convenience, all these parameters contributing to individual application requirements, whether it is industry, strong lighting, residential, office, hospitality and outdoor. So looking into all these applications, what smart lighting or the connect lighting means, this is the topic for me today. Now, smart or connected lighting. This is something, the professional lighting application. This is beyond the lighting general requirements of the illumination today. Because it connects you to the different modes, to the different interfaces, and how it can be flexible. This is something, introducing the digital opportunities to the analog devices. Now, on the extreme left-hand side, you can see there are some non-lighting products. Then you have the smart controls like tablets or phones, which can be, connected via the Wi-Fi system through the Zigbee network, and you can also, connect it with the individual luminaires, where individual and group luminaire controls can be addressed. So this is the way it works through the internet, and it gives a lot of flexibility. This is something how the products look like. One side you have the internet accessibility. On the right hand side you have the smart devices which are being connected through the Wi-Fi or the Zigbee networks. And below you find the components which goes into the lighting solutions. There are certain digital devices. There are reflectors and there are sensors which are attached to it, which can be controlled by the Zigbee network. Now, Zigbee is something, I think, a new protocol which is going on, and there is a study globally which has happened that approximately 40% of your these requirements will shift on Zigbee networks or the Zigbee protocols by 2017. How does it help individuals? How does it help all of us in the professional working environment? The first point is Lightify, or the connected lights are supportive. This supportive means you can have your own personalized lighting environments. You have unlimited possibilities of creating different lighting scenes, and you have computational planning. And second is on the left, it is connected. Light connects people. You can create the best effort environment for connecting to people, and this gives a comfortable, environment for all the communications. Then the next is it is wireless. As we can see, the protocols which have been used over here are wired. You can have unlimited flexibility of doing, programming, scene settings, recalling, and everything. Then easy to operate. It's something, includes, this is an easy system operation where you can have, like in touchscreen mobile phones, you have the drop and pick up the facilities. Similar way you can do it over here and play with the lighting. Second concept is on the smartified lights. Now here the smartified light, when it comes to the complete lighting, it's basically integration of the different applications what we can see down over here. Whether it is industry, or highway, or main roads, city centers, tunnel lighting, or maybe parking lots and residential area. How we can integrate it through a common platform and control and monitor it. So that's what smart lighting means. So it's networkable and controllable. They can be linked together. Planned, you can have a proper design plan for the lighting requirements, and you can go for the dimming facilities with these kind of with the softwares attached to it and control it via common server. Then smart. Any technology which is evolving has to be smart enough to take care of the energy efficiency. So which goes without saying actually. And further, if there is an expansion, so you can always expand it. So the flexibility is there to go beyond whatever we are using today, and you can adapt it for the future as well. Now, when we talk of the smart city concept, the street light becomes one of the core area of operations. Now here, in this case, the offering comes as a complete integrated system, right from the luminaire, right from the driver, and the services attached to it, and the software systems. When we talk of controlling the lights on the dimming interfaces, on the right hand side, you can see the controls are available, which can have the 4 dim functionalities like Astro dim, step dim, main stem, and the DALI dim. So these are all the interfaces over here. This is just the system infrastructure, how it works, from the software to the hardware, and then to the main lighting requirements. The essence of software is Internet Protocol, gateways, power line, and the limit. These kind of luminaire controls is not only related to the newer applications, it can also be for the refurbishment. So you can attach it with the existing setup of lighting applications. And definitely for the city beautification and modernization, these kind of a concept are very important. I think India, we have just started these concepts for the smart city, which I think will be a big future in the coming years. And the best part is, these kind of luminaire controls are working on the standardized protocols and the standardized communication interfaces like DALI, analog, TELC, and SIGLEE. What are the major advantages? Like it's going for a reactive to a proactive approach. Today, in the existing scenario, if any failure occurs, it goes to a complaint mode, then the revision of the switches of the luminaires, and then the maintenance, and then the light comes out. With the software or with the luminaire controls, the failure, once it is detected, it goes into automatic classification. If it is a critical failure, then immediately it goes into the maintenance and there is a light. Otherwise, if it is not critical, it gets into resolving with the failed and the old light sources, and then coordinated maintenance is made up. These are basically the 3 well-structured offerings coming in. One is with the luminaire, including the controls as the hardware. The second comes as a complete system, hardware as well as the software. And third is the complete system along with the services provided. Just to summarize on this, these kind of control systems will give us the best possibilities and the flexibility with the integrated monitoring and controlling system. Basically, if you see, these are all the features which we normally talk of: the possible energy savings, ROI will include 6 years, upgrading grids to smart grids, city beautification and city marketing, improved safety, and a lot of other flexibilities. And yes, it is also expandable at any point of time. Today we do with a limited scope of application requirements. Tomorrow we extend it based on the software developments. So that is. This is all about from my side on the connected lights as well as the smart lights.